Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Oakley's second birthday, which I still cannot believe. I know a lot of you guys started following me during that pregnancy with Oakley, or right around the time that he was born, so I feel like we are all celebrating this together. But today is his actual birthday, and it is also gonna be his birthday party. We're just doing a super small little get together, but I still wanted to decorate and make it really special for him. Right now he is super into construction, excavators. He loves watching the Blippi shows that have anything to do with tractors, trucks, excavators, any of that stuff. So we're gonna do a construction birthday party for him. I went to the Dollar Tree and got a lot of things from there. I ordered a few things from Amazon, and I am going to take you guys along with me as I set up for his party. I'm gonna start with all of the Dollar Tree stuff first. So I got some black and yellow streamers, and I thought that these would kind of look like construction tape. And then I also got a little 2 balloon, and this goes with the color scheme. I got a 2 candle. These little excavator and construction trucks are all from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put these on the table, but I'm also gonna put a couple on the cake, and I will show you what that's gonna look like in just a little bit. I got some of these little cones, and they come in a 2-pack, so I ended up getting 6 of them. And then I also got some little yellow cups for drinks. And then I just got some black, yellow, and white balloons. These are the utensils that we'll be using. And I didn't know if I wanted yellow or orange, so I just went ahead and grabbed both. And then I have some black and yellow tablecloths. And then the last 2 things from the Dollar Tree are napkins, and I got them in yellow, and then some little dessert plates. And we're gonna have pizza, so we'll be able to use these for pizza. 2 things that I got from Amazon are these super cute kids construction hats, and it comes with the little construction vest too. I think this is a 6-pack, so Oakley and Emmy can wear one, and then we have just 3 little friends coming over, and they can all wear them too. It's gonna be so adorable. But another thing is, if you didn't wanna put these on the kids, you could flip them upside down and serve food out of these little hats, which would be super cute. And then I just got some little like plastic tools that I can sprinkle on the table and decorate with. And then Oakley can play with these afterwards because he is obsessed with tools. And then as far as food, so I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do later, but I have some Jell-O and some gummy worms and some Oreos. You might be able to guess what I plan on doing with these. And then for drinks, we're gonna have lemonade and iced tea. And I have a cute idea for that. I have a super cute idea for these little frosted chocolate donuts, as well as the chips and the Chex Mix. I'm starting with the table, which is gonna be our centerpiece and definitely the focal point of the birthday party. I pulled as many galvanized pieces as I could from around the house. Some things are meant to serve food on, and some things are just random pieces that I found. This Tonka truck is one of Oakley's toys. I cleaned it out really well, and then I'm lining the bed with tin foil, and I'm going to put some tortilla chips in the bed and have it kind of look like the dump truck was dumping out a load of tortilla chips. Next, I'm making cups of dirt. I remember eating these as a kid and I loved them, and to be honest, I still love them to this day, and they're really easy to make. First, you start by making the pudding, and I'm gonna set this in the fridge and come back to this after the pudding has set. These construction vests and construction hats were too cute not to display, so I lined them up along with these goodie bags that my mom put together for the kids. For the goodie bags, my mom just used brown paper bags, and it's super cute because it kind of looks like a construction worker's lunch, and she filled it with candy and toys from the Dollar Tree. My mom is very artistic and crafty, and she drew this toxic sign. Another idea that I had was to label the iced tea and the lemonade as diesel and gasoline. Next, to assemble the cups of dirt, first I had Andrew crush a package of Oreos, and he went ahead and crushed the whole package of Oreos, and you'll see what I use the remainder of the Oreos for a little bit later. I have these clear plastic cups, and I'm gonna fill the bottoms of them with some pudding. Next, I added a layer of the crushed Oreos to look like dirt. And then I added 2 gummy worms to each of the cups. So when the kids dig in, they will find a little surprise gummy worm inside their cups of dirt. And then I repeated the layers again, pudding and then crushed Oreos. And the last thing I'm doing is Oakley's birthday cake. I keep it really simple, and I just ordered a cake from Sam's Club, and I got whipped chocolate frosting on this cake. And then I took one of these excavator trucks from the Dollar Tree. It was brand new, so it was nice and clean. And I rolled it through the frosting in the shape of a 2. Number 1, this helped me outline the 2. And number 2, it got frosting on the tires, which made it look like there was mud on the excavator tires. And it was a really nice touch. From there, I sprinkled on some crushed Oreos around the outside of the shape of the 2 so that the 2 will stand out. And it kind of looks like the excavator scooped up the dirt in the shape of a 2. Right before the guests got there, I filled up the bowl with salsa, and that was it. I really loved how this party turned out. There were just simple things that I did that really made an impact, and everybody oohed and awed over the little details. The good thing about this birthday party too is it did not break the bank because I got a lot of stuff from the Dollar Tree. And at the end of the day, I think Oakley was pretty happy with it. What do you think, bud? Is that your birthday cake? Yeah. Wow, wow. What's on it? Huh? What's on it? No, 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 no. That's your digger. Your digger. Okay.
You want that one?
You want a present?
What do you think it is? Huh?
Birthday cake?
A birthday cake? Alright, whose birthday is it?
You know what? Let me tell you why.
How old are you, Oakley?
2.
Good job!
Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oakley. Happy birthday to you.
He's gonna have that on.
He's like, Mommy, that's my hat.
Oh, do you? Oh, I know.
He's trying to like go somewhere else. I don't know, what is it? I love boxes too, Oakley. I feel it. Whoa! Oh my God. Okay.
You like that?
He said this is dangerous. No, wait. After opening, we'll go put it. All right.
That's awesome. She assumes her spot. You're fine. Woohoo!
Emmy.
Yay, he can reach it.
That is adorable.
Go, Oakley, go.
Go, Oakley. Well, I mean,
What do you think, Oaks? What do you think?
is that awesome?
So that they can fix up the urban.
Okay, so when are they doing? Have you worried Reggie?
What are you doing?
It's gonna start.
You're looking at your goodie bag?
What they do.
It's just staging.
What they do.